Welcome back to CNR Reviews. I'm E-Rock.
I'm Coltrane.
And
Again.
again, you're trying to wake up?
Again.
This motherfucker, Jesus.
Hey, man.
Yawning and shit.
Every time, I swear, every time we do a video, it's raining outside.
Every time we do a
It's
video,
disgusting.
you're acting like...
Every time we do a video, the weather's gross, so I'm tired, okay?
Alright, check it out. Today we're going to review these lights that I bought recently. So we're doing some other videos with some other friends of ours, and I wanted some different lighting options. I bought this pack of lights. Christ, I can't remember the name of them.
Neewer.
Yeah, there you go. So,
Neewer. It's a weird name.
oh yeah, there it is.
It's a weird
There
name.
it is. So what it is, it's two. Let me slide that off.
So
there.
what it is shitty.
Now the light. Well, here's the thing. They are okay. So most of our reviews you've seen are well, they're all mostly trying to just make fun of something or whatever. But typically, most things we've tried out on these videos have been pretty decent. We haven't had a lot, a negative thing to say really about most of the stuff we've done.
Yeah.
So this one, unfortunately, I have to say something negative about it. So I'll tell you the positives first, and then I'll tell you the negatives. So there's only one negative about it, but the positives are there's a bunch of LEDs in here. It's an LED light. It's very bright, and I'll show you that here in a second when I put all these batteries in. But and it comes with some inserts. So one of them is the clear one, and the other one actually is orange, which I don't have. I threw it out because I'm not going to use these lights anymore. It's terrible.
That'd
I know.
be cool. I wanted to see that orange.
I put it in the first day we were out here. Well,
Oh, you
Johnny
did?
was over. Yes, I did.
No, you did not.
Yes, I
No,
did.
you didn't.
Oh my god.
Because I didn't see it. You know why I didn't see it? Because you didn't do it.
I did.
Exactly.
I did. He don't remember shit.
I don't.
But I did have. It did come
Raise
with
me an alcoholic.
so the pack. So the pack comes with two lights. It was $58 on Amazon. Okay, it comes with two of these lights, and what they have is a little fixture down here at the bottom that fits on to. Whoops. Fits on the tripod. So one positive for sure is the pack comes with two tripods, one for each light. So it's like this. It's pretty short, pretty standard, really lightweight tripod. You can tighten it up. It sits real sturdy, and then this top part goes up about. It's probably about 3.5 feet, 3 feet total. So right now I've got my GoPro holder on there, which you can take off, and the lights go on there. They just screw on top of that, and then it has an adjustment here to, you can adjust the light this way or that way. So anyway, I am definitely going to use these tripods, which I've been using already.
That's part of the purchase.
That is for sure. But the one thing is, these batteries right here. Now I had to buy those separate, obviously, but these it takes 6 batteries each to run each light. Okay, for each light. So 6 batteries for this light, 6 batteries for that. It's 12 batteries here, and quite honestly, it doesn't last that long. So
Not at all.
I thought it was gonna take. Let me put one in here and put them all in here and show you. And while I'm putting these in, I'll tell you about this thing. So this is an insert. It's an alternative that comes with the lights, one for each light. That you can buy a separate battery pack, rechargeable battery pack that fits into this slot. It slides in here, and then this whole thing fits down in this slot inside the back of here. Okay, underneath where these batteries go. So you could put this in with a rechargeable pack instead of using AA's. The problem is this pack that rechargeable pack. You know how they have on Amazon. They show the when you go to purchase something, it says like it'll recommend 2 other items that are kind of accessories or something, for that, or usually that people bought with it, whatever. So these lights were $58, $60, and then to buy the battery packs separately that go in here is another $20. So it's $80 for 2 sets of lights to use. And honestly, I didn't buy the rechargeable thing because I didn't know if I was going to use this or not, you know, how it was going to be. So I'm not sure, and I'm glad I didn't, because I'm not going to use these, because even if these last a kind of long time, it's a lot to spend on for this. And there's other options out there, by the way. All I wanted was something that even if I could, you know, I could just plug in. So let me put these batteries in and show you. And they don't really go in that easy, honestly. They're not like the way they're made. This doesn't have a bottom down in there. It kind of sinks down underneath. So put that on, and then you put this back on there. And then you have a little battery tester that shows, I don't know if you saw that or not.
Yeah, the test button.
Yeah, so it shows your battery life, okay? Now,
and that's about 5 seconds. You want to hit that again because it's going to be about halfway.
It does go down pretty quick. I forget how long it lasted, but it was, okay, so there's, you know, that's pretty bright.
Probably
okay?
blinding an audience, dude.
Well, that's what LEDs do. So then you put this on, it kind of helps.
Kind of helps. It doesn't help with the battery life.
All right.
But it helps with the brightness.
Woo! Look.
Double it.
So it still doesn't
even do shit.
No, bro. But the other cool thing positive about it is it has a dimmer switch. So it's not just a regular, you know, on off. It's got a dimmer switch, which is cool if you don't need that much light, you know, like in a certain spot or whatever. But it's typically where we're putting it, we need the full light, and because it's so bright like that in your face, you kind of have to angle it up or whatever.
Yeah. Somewhere
else away from you, so you're not getting the full effect of the bright light anyway. Or you have to turn it down, you know, dim it. It's still okay. That's about where it doesn't blind the shit out of you, but
it's also not bright enough.
No, it's not bright enough to do anything for videos. Look, you got to be up like this close. So. That's called lightning effect. It's got a lightning button. I'm just kidding. Strobe.
So it is like Jesus.
Strobe. I'm gonna have a seizure. So anyway, hell with buying all these batteries, man. For real. Like it's. I bought a huge pack of these, and they're expensive, you know. So when you have them on. I think we used the one light we used for probably about 20 minutes or so, and the batteries were almost like it was showing 1 bar left. Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't.
So
nothing.
It was about 20 minutes, and it was starting to go. It was starting to blink already to say that it needs batteries. Now, one thing is like when batteries are like there's this many batteries in a thing. I know that sometimes if you have like 1 week battery, now these are all brand new. But if you had 1 week battery or something like, oh, I just took it out of a remote or something like that, and all the others are new, it'll still show that it's low, but it's only that one battery. There's no way to tell unless you just switch. Are you okay, man?
Yeah. I was having fun.
Unless you switch them out and one by one and test it, you know. But anyway, but I don't really feel like wasting another set of batteries because I went through 2 already. 2 sets. 2 sets. How many is that?
I don't know.
Like 12. Other than the battery thing, they're great lights. But I would have thought for the money that, like how much they were for the pack, that and how little these are, I would have thought that they would have came with an AC option.
These fucking things.
What in the hell are you? You need help?
No.
What are you trying to do?
But you're right. These batteries suck it when they go in.
Well, yeah, because
let
me show you on here.
Yeah, you need to show this because this is terrible.
Well, the way it is, see this little thing down at the bottom. All right, so the way that's set up, if you can see this indent in here is made for that. So that snaps that in there somehow. It goes, well, what the fuck now? Now, how the fuck are you supposed to? Okay.
Look, your boy.
Oh my goodness. So that's what goes in there. That pack that holds the thing. But the problem is when this thing ain't in there.
Look.
There's a. Yeah. Well, I know. I was pulling it. It was like twisted or something. So when you try to put these in, it's like they fall down, one end falls down in a hole. So I'm saying, like, it just doesn't work right.
So
like,
when you put them in, it's like this.
It's like, it just, look.
It's an idiot. Maybe.
So,
just maybe. Well, this wouldn't work either, though.
no, it'd be in the way.
It'd be in the way. See, look. Now you can't even put batteries in.
No, it's one.
Perfecto. See, let me test it. Nothing. See, they suck.
So I am going to use. I'm not going to use these lights anymore because of that option, or because not having the AC option here. I wish I would have had like a little. Maybe if it came with a one of the plugs, AC adapters, whatever, that plug in somewhere. Those little ones, and then you just plug it in the wall and use that as an option. That would have been great, but they don't. And I'm not. Like I said, I'm not going to get this.
The only options is a rechargeable battery pack for an extra $20 outside of the bundle that you get.
I want to do it.
Or these dumbass 6 AA batteries that don't work very well.
No. So it's a good. Yeah, it's a good light. So I'm really sad that I can't use it.
It's a really good one and done.
I am going to use these. In fact, I'm using one right now. So I have one here, and then one of the lights that I have that plugs into the wall, actually. It's like a photography light with the umbrella and stuff. That is on one of these. Over there. You ever see what I'm talking about? Right there, and then right over there?
They use those your damn pointer.
So I am going to use these for sure. And when they fold up, I love how the legs fold up which really shortens it when you want to pack it away, which is awesome. Especially when like the little carrier I have and stuff. It really helps. So it's pretty compact that way. So I will use these for sure. But the lights are probably going to, well, I don't know. Maybe I'll buy these and test them out and see how long they last. And if they work good, then I'll do another review on it.
My only suggestion: toss them in the fire pit.
So
no, I mean they're nice. They're bright. It's just maybe those. Maybe that's why they want you to buy these. Maybe that's why they didn't have that plug-in option.
Well, then don't charge me $60 for these things, because these things are cheap. In fact, there's another option on Amazon. I looked. They're similar, except they're plug-in to the wall, and they're like $34 for 2 lights. And I think they come with the stands as well, the little tripods as well. But they plug into the wall. But for portability, and not, if you want to do it, like set these up outside somewhere or somewhere where you don't have a plug, this could be a good option. I might buy one of these and try them out. But we'll see in the future. But for now...
But they could have put a plug in there, too.
It's going to sit on the shelf in a box or whatever until I figure something out with the... No, I got the whole thing in there. Look. No, it's because the thing's in there.
Why you do that?
So I don't have extra pieces hanging out.
Oh, that's true. And let me break it.
Don't break it. So, that's it. Appreciate you guys.
Yep, appreciate. Don't be hating, be appreciating.
What's that you saying?
Man, look, I got mine in there better than you.
You didn't.
I did. That's flush. This shit ain't flush, bruh. That's because it ain't even in all the way. Look at you. Look at you. Look, you got it in the wrong way.